You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce these words and more useful vocabulary in English, so stay tuned to the channel. Loads to learn here. We're looking at the verb run, to run. So when you're not walking anymore, you're going faster, you run. Run is how you say it. Now the past tense, when you speak of past actions, you would say ran. So you have to use these really wide open mouth sound, while for run it's an sound, for run, for ran. Okay, so infinitive of the verb is to run. The past is ran, as in I ran so fast, I was so scared yesterday, I ran. And now you know. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. More videos for you here to learn more correct pronunciations. Thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.